Hello everyone! We can finally present to you our newest wedge welder, the ComOn 3.
The ComOn 3 is the new and strong wedge welder that you need. It's used for overlap welding of geomembranes. The welding range is from 1 to 3 mm, which HDPE, depending if you use the 80 mm or the 100 mm wedge. There are some nice features on this machine, like an integrated GPS tracker, or you can switch the maximum speed from 10 meter per minute to 5 meter per minute. Thanks to this, you can also weld thicker material with great power. We will take a closer look at those features and also explain how exactly the ComOn 3 is operated in this video. Before we can start welding, we need to adjust the pressure. For that, we open the pressure lever to have enough space, then we turn on the machine with the main switch. We change the switch to position 1, pressure. We take two pieces of material that you like to weld and put it between the rollers. Close the pressure lever. Make sure there is not too much pressure already given, the maximum is 1500 Newton. Now you can see what pressure you have in the display. In our example, it shows now 825 Newton and we want to have 1100 Newton because we like to weld HDPE 2 mm. Open the pressure lever and play with the adjustment screw. Close the pressure lever and check the pressure in the display. Repeat this until you reach your desired pressure. Then fix it with the set screw to make sure it stays the same. Open the pressure lever and take out the material. Never go over 1500 Newton. If you do, you will have mechanical damages on the tool in a short time. You can also adjust the wedge and the right height for your application. If you have questions about that, just let us know and we can help you find the perfect adjustments for your material and application. When you receive the ComOn 3 with 100 mm wedge from BAK, we will adjust everything for HDPE material 2.5 mm. If you have the ComOn 3 with 80 mm wedge, we will adjust it for HDPE material 2 mm. The next step is to adjust the temperature with the controller. Push the button once to activate, then adjust your desired temperature. After it stops blinking, the temperature is locked in. The temperature is adjustable from 0 to 460 degrees. In our example, we work with HDPE 2 mm and we want to weld pretty fast, so we would choose a temperature of 430 degrees and we turn the heat on. We change the switch to position 2, drive. We adjust the speed to 2.5 meters per minute with the potentiometer. Here we have two fuses for the drive and the heater. This is a protection. Before you start welding, you always need to do a test welding. We will do that right now. The test welding went well. Now you can start to do the welding. If you always weld with the same material, you only have to do all the adjusting we did earlier once. But we are recommending doing the test welding every day you start welding again. What is special about the ComOn 3? Because of the very strong frame, it's possible to weld a wide range of different material thicknesses. Our ComOn 3 is built as easy as possible with very few electronical parts. Our tools are made for a long lifetime, means after a few years you will have to do a service or repair. Those will be much better priced compared to other machines in the market. Our very competent sales and service centers can help you and will support you with your questions and problems. It's possible to change the wedge from 80 to 100 mm or the opposite. With this you have more flexibility to weld different materials in different speeds with just one machine. With the preheating unit you can preheat the material. This way you can dry it, clean it and weld faster. One amazing feature is the GPS tracking. In every ComOn 3 you purchase, you have an integrated GPS tracker. With this tracker you can check the location of your machine. Once it's plugged in and also approximately 2 hours after it's plugged out. You can check the location via our My BAK app. We will start to add even more features to the app soon, so be sure to check it out. Believe it or not, but the GPS tracker has already saved a few machines and they were safely returned to their owners after being stolen. Then we have this nice sticker here, which means that the ComOn 3 is 100% produced in Switzerland. 100% Swiss quality in our facility in Kearns, Obwalden, with our employees who work every day to provide you with the best machines and, equally important, the best service. The new ComOn 3 is available now. Send us an email for a quote. Here summed up why you should buy a ComOn 3 instead of another machine. The ComOn 3 is strong, fast and innovative. Designed for the most demanding job sites. High welding speed and quality. Change of wedge, speed made easy with plugged wedge. Preheat kit available for preheating and drying. You have the My BAK app with full access on the location of your machines via GPS tracker. You get what we promise, 100% Swiss made, highest quality you will find in a welder. Great after-sales service. If you have a problem, our service center are there to help you anytime.